Today we're going to be making the McDonald's McMuffin at home. It's both cheaper, quicker, and better. Let's go ahead and get started. First, drop in some butter into a medium hot pan. Let it get melted and drop in your English muffins sliced side down until they are golden and toasted on the bottom. Next, we're going to repeat this exact same process with our Canadian bacon. Drop it in, cook it for about 30 seconds per side. Of course, if you have a large skillet or a griddle, you can do these all at the same time. Give it a flip, and if it cups up a bit, just push it down to get even coverage. While everything else is cooking, go ahead and spray your microwave-safe mug with cooking spray. Yes, we're going to microwave our egg. Just stay with me here. First, crack in your egg, and go ahead and add a splash of milk or water. Ignore the cheese I forgot to move for this shot, and go ahead and whisk that together with some salt and pepper. Set your microwave's power to medium, and nuke it at 30-second intervals until it is soft, fluffy, and fully cooked. You can use a skillet, of course, but I found this method to work best for a McMuffin. It's the most McDonald's-like. Assemble the McMuffin. Go ahead and add your cheese slice on the bottom. Don't know why McDonald's does it this way, but they do, so we will. Release your egg from the mug. Go ahead and shake it right out. There we go. And add your Canadian bacon and the top to your muffin. For the full McDonald's experience, you want it to seem like it's been wrapped in paper and tossed under a heat lamp. So, back to the warm skillet we go. Add your McMuffin and cover it. A lid would be better. Behold, your perfect Egg McMuffin. It's delicious, costs about $1 to make, and takes less time than going through the drive-thru, probably. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, drop it a like, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks.